Today, I'm going to show you a breath that will charge you up with love. After you learn it, you can practice it anytime on your own for 1 to 3 minutes. Let's begin the practice by sitting or lying down in a safe place where you won't be distracted. If seated, lengthen and relax the spine if possible, either cross-legged or both feet supported. Open the chest and lower the shoulders. Gently close the eyes or remain a lowered gaze. From here, take a long, deep inhale with the mouth, like drinking the breath from a straw, pursing the lips in a small O shape. Hold and float the breath without gripping. Exhale through the nose, dispelling every drop of air inside by squeezing the belly a little. Hold and float the breath. Keep going at your own pace. It is called vascular breath. As you sip the breath, visualize it coming through the front to the back of the heart, expanding and hugging you from behind. This breath helps to harmonize the heart chakra, increase ability to give and receive, and connect with the soul. Continue to practice the breath as I play the crystal singing bowls to assist in balancing the heart center.